Hey guys, welcome to my bedroom. That sounds like a porno opening, doesn't it? Well, I don't know. But anyway, so I'm in my bedroom right now, which I don't think you've ever been in here because it's like the one room that we neglect the most decorating wise because no one else sees it besides me and my boyfriend. We're here. It's very dimly lit. The dog is right here. I made my bed for you even though I'm not even stationed that way, but you're welcome anyway. So today I'm doing my Boxycharm unboxing. This is the April box. It's April, right? Who knows? Okay, so anyway, usually I do these in my car. I'll like pull off to a parking lot somewhere and unbox my thing, but I've already left the house once today and just like, I don't know, like I know with the quarantine and stuff, like everyone wants to get out and I do, but like I've been out once. I'm exhausted. No, I'm just kidding. But you know what I mean. I didn't feel like leaving the house and Zach's working right now. So it kind of is the whole thing to why I go to the parking lot to be left alone. But it'll be good because you'll have some entertainment in the background because my two of my three dogs are fighting right now. Or playing, they're playing. But anyway, so this is my Boxycharm box. I look like this. This is 3-day hair, no makeup, and these are such chill videos. Like I'm not gonna put makeup on. Just hey. Anyway, I'm not gonna put makeup on to open a box. I'm so sorry. And I was like painting my beauty room and just all that stuff. So I just came in here because it doesn't smell like paint in here, and I'm gonna open it. I did see, I think a couple of people on Twitter were like not excited about what they got, which I mean, I get being disappointed, but also I feel like Twitter, everyone's disappointed on Twitter, you know, which I love Twitter, but you know what I mean. Anyway, okay, so this is the card. Oh, festival vibes. That is funny though, because Coachella got postponed. That kind of sucks for them though. They probably had this planned for a long ass time. Oh, oh my God. Okay, so on the card, on the back of it, there's a 55% off code for Misguided. They sell clothes. And, you know, I need new clothes because I've gained a shit ton of weight during quarantine and just, you know, with adulthood and stuff, so. Okay, there's another. Oh, there's Tony Moly masks in here. I love these things. I've used these before. Okay, yeah. These are Tony Moly masks. There's 3 of them. Holy crap. I actually think I've used the luminizing one before. I like these a lot. I love sheet masks. I really do. They're just fun, you know. Okay, so this is the illuminating one. It is all, okay, wait, no. Tony Moly I'm Lotus Mask Sheet Illuminating. The Lotus Mask makes dull skin look radiant and glowing. That's the description. That's awesome, cool. And then we have a calming one. I'm Hemp. That's funny. My boyfriend will get a kick out of that. Hemp mask gently calms irritated skin. I always have irritated skin, or I don't know if it's irritated, it's just always red, you know what I mean? And then Purify. Oh, this is what I need though, because I fell asleep with makeup on last night. Cactus mask makes uneven skin tone look. Wait, that's the same one as this one. No, okay. Cactus mask makes uneven skin tone look radiant and glowing. And then the Lotus mask makes dull skin look radiant and glowing. So if you have dull skin and uneven skin tone, these make your skin look very radiant and glowing because it says it twice. We'll see. Oh, okay, I got this. I think this is what people were pissed about. It's like the Benefit Professional. I've always wanted to try this. I've never tried this before. It's a smoothing face primer. It minimizes the look of pores. I know this is like a very polarizing product. People either love it or hate it. I feel like I'll kind of like it because I have oilier skin and my pores aren't huge, but I just know this, like the reviews I've seen, like people with oilier skin tend to prefer it other than people with dry skin. So I'm excited to try this. I think everyone knows what this is. This is like this thing is old as hell. Hopefully not this one. But you know what I mean? Like this product is freaking old. Like everyone has this. Or has to. Okay, this Iconic London Illuminate. I think, did I pick this out? I think I might have picked this out. But okay, this is the Iconic London like liquid illuminator. And I'm pretty sure I picked, like they'll send you, ooh. They'll like, there's like no light in here right now. So, but that's beautiful. Holy shit. Okay. They'll send you like emails occasionally from time to time, and you know, it'll be like, would you rather this or this in your box? And so you pick. And I'm pretty sure I picked this because I've always kind of wanted to try this. And this is beautiful. I'm scared it might be a little too deep for my skin, but just like, oh, right there. Oh, that might be really pretty. Oh, there's only 4 things. Oh, wait, no, there's 5 with the masks. Never mind. Okay, this is the, oh, I'm excited. I don't even know if this is, and I'm excited because I need this. Okay, this is the Elemis Superfood Cica, C-I-C-A. Cica? That sounds right. Cica Calm Cleansing Foam. It's a calming micellar cleanser, defined by nature, led by science. It's a luxurious foaming cleanser that combines the hydrating and comforting properties of Cica and vegan, what are these things? And vegan kefir. What is that from? Oh, that's from Halloween Town. You know when they're like doing the chant, see, kefir. See, oh my god, if I can find the clip, I'm gonna put it in here because that's like actually kind of cool. Okay, vegan kefir with fermented rice water to gently cleanse away dirt and grime for a calm and fresh complexion. That sounds dope. And I just ran out of my fresh face wash that I got also from a Boxycharm that I refuse to repurchase, which also shameless plug for my next empties video because that's in it. But anyway, so I'm not going to use that. I'm not going to repurchase the fresh one because it's it's like around $40 for a face wash. This probably is close to that, but I'm excited. Okay, so this is a set of eye brushes. These are super cute. They're all colory. I'm a slut for eye brushes, y'all. Like, I love eye brushes. I don't care. I already have so many. I have a whole little spinny thingy that's too full, but I don't care. I'll still, like, I love eye brushes. This will be beautiful for liquid eyeliner, which I've been using. Oh, there's like a crust on it. This will be glorious though for like liquid eyeliner or like a cream, or you know what, I've been putting like colorful eyeshadow on as eyeliner. That'll be awesome for that. Pencil brush, love pencil brushes. Love brushes like this, the little angled brushes. A spoolie. You can never have too many spoolies. Okay, and then this blender brush looks like it'll be beautiful for the crease, especially my tiny ass little hooded eye crease. That'll be nice. And then a little packer brush. That's dope. I like these are super cute. Okay, so that's it. There's a lot of stuff in this box, but I feel like it's like not a lot, you know what I mean? Does that make sense? But there is a lot, and I'm excited. Like, I'm honestly, I'm excited about everything I got, but just, I don't know, maybe it's that Twitter person. It's just like in my head. Oh, okay, we got another coupon. This is awesome. They gave us 2 coupons. Okay, so this one is enjoy 20% off your purchase on makeuperaser.com. That's cool. Use code BOXY20 if you want. Is that rude? I don't know. But makeup erasers are awesome. I've always really wanted to try the face halo that Chloe Morello does, but I just haven't gotten around to it, if I'm being completely honest. But I would love to try that. All right, so now we're gonna go through the prices because I can't, as I've mentioned before, I don't know if you've watched any of my videos before, but I don't like to look at the card before. I'm a very fast reader, and I feel like if I check the price of one thing, then I'm gonna see the rest of the things that are listed below, and that's gonna be really bothersome for me because I don't wanna ruin this price, okay? So I'll read the prices last. Anyway, okay, so the Professional, this thing, is $32. That's not, I mean, that's expensive for a primer. It's really not that expensive though, because primers can be pricey because it's like the first thing that goes on your skin, so people are like willing to spend extra, you know? Okay, this Superfood Cica Calm Cleansing Foam, this is $32. That's, okay, so it's the same price. That's actually, it's expensive, but it's not terrible, especially if it does like a really good job. Also, I kind of love the packaging. Like, I know that's like super stupid, but it's just pretty and lime green. Okay, Jesus Christ. This Iconic London Illuminator is $41 for, how much is in here? It's 0.45 fluid ounces. So that ain't nothing up in here. But, you know, it could be good. And usually liquid illuminators like this, you don't really need a lot of them. Also, my nose is, oh, Lord have mercy. Okay, my nose is red. That's what I was trying to say. Okay, so this is $41. Jesus Christ. Okay, this isn't bad at all. Okay, this is a lavish 5-piece neon eye brush collection. A must-have all-in-one cruelty-free, awesome makeup brush collection that includes essential eye brushes you'll need to achieve an everyday or more dramatic look. These are only $30, so that's really not bad. So you get 5 brushes for $30. That's $6 a brush. And that's like e.l.f. prices or Wet n Wild brush prices. That's cheap. That's awesome. And they're cute. And I like the packaging. Like this thing, it's like one of those silky touch rubber. I don't know. All right, and the last thing was the Roly Poly Tony Moly I'm Real sheet mask. Okay, so this is all of these are $9, like per. Okay, so the MSR, so the market price for, I don't know if it's for one of these or for all 3 of them. But it says that it just says $9 on here. So I don't know if that's for all 3 or for one that's a little expensive for a sheet mask, but that's like really not as bad as like Sephora and Ulta ones. I think these are pretty cheap though, because like I'm pretty sure they're like K-Beauty or something like that, and I know you can get them on Amazon. I've had one of these before, so I really know they're not expensive because I wouldn't spend that much money on a face mask. But yeah, that's it, guys. I don't know, I kind of love it, and I know that's saying unpopular. Well, I say unpopular. I saw that one girl make comments and I was just in my head, but I don't know, I'm excited. I'm really excited to try this. I've never tried this before. I know a lot of people have. Again, it's very polarizing. I don't know if you love it or hate it. I'm excited to try it and see what I think. Iconic London, I'm really excited to try this illuminator. I'm not gonna lie. I think it'll be really pretty to put on like the high points of your face, like underneath foundation. This, I'm gonna try this when I take a bath in a few minutes. I'm excited. And these, I know I freaking love these things so much. And then I love these brushes. Like, I actually kind of love everything. Usually there's like 1 or 2 things you get in a Boxycharm where you're just like, I'm actually kind of stoked about all these, I'm not gonna lie. Oh, wait, let me add up everything. Hold please. So the total price of the box was $143 or $143.99. So if you like to round up or down, that's on you. Which is more than the $25 you pay for it. I don't know, you guys. I freaking love Boxycharm. I know a lot of people they have, and I kind of want to film a video on it, like delving into like the controversies around Boxycharm, just because like I feel like a lot of people have issues with them and I've never had problems. I love, dude, my nose. You see why I put on so much concealer. You see. Hey baby. Also say hi to Ray. She doesn't come on camera like ever, but she's the OG. She's my first dog. I saved her from heartworms. She's beautiful and I love her. And she makes noises like a little piggy. But anyway, so yeah, I love Boxycharm. I kind of want to film that video, but then also I kind of don't, because like I don't want to like hate it, because I love my box so much and it's something I actually do get really excited about. I'm still probably gonna film it just to be like a more informed consumer, you know what I mean? But I liked my box a lot. What'd you get in yours? I don't know, did you like it? Were you excited about it? Were you not? Let me know down in the comments, pretty please. I will see you next time. Stay safe, please. Wear face masks, put on hand sanitizer, wash your hands. The chorus to Lizzo's Good as Hell is the amount of time that you should wash your hands. So do with that information what you will. Wash your hands. Okay, bye.